We're hooked up. First fish in the morning. Oh, that's a good one too. That's a good one. That's a good one. It's a good fish. Hopefully we get him. Maybe my biggest fish of the fall so far. I think it is. Looks like it is. Hopefully he stays buttoned up. Oh, he's come off, man. That's a big fish. That's the problem with using jerk baits for stripers, man. Sometimes they don't stay buttoned up, especially the big ones. It was big. Bigger than anything we caught in that tournament last week. That was a healthy sized fish. I got a good look at him when he was boat side. Time to get serious. We're gonna catch some fish. Hooked up, hooked up. Told me that sure is a way. Water's so still, my pain's gone away. Air is much cleaner after rain. Follow my love, sentence in spring air. Good fish too. He's in my flat line, but it's alright. I don't care. Did he just come off? No. Good. Just change directions, that's all. Myself along the way. What's gone is gone. What's past is past. A good fighter. Quality fish here. I like it. I mean, he's probably using the planer board to his advantage quite a bit, but chalk this up to those Seaguar leaders, man. Seaguar fluorocarbon's the way to go. Yeah, it's just a 12-pound leader. Come on. State of mind to set on feet. Ends uncertain, futures near. Follow voices from below. Wherever I go, there's a change. My own shadows drive me insane. Let's show. Come on, man. Victory is ours. Sweet. And we got problems everywhere else. Well, I'd say a whole bunch of stuff, but our planer boards are all jacked up. All right, let's see if we can't get this fixed. Come on, Mr. Striped Bass, where you at? Show yourself. Fluffernutter sandwich, when's the last time you had one of them? I'm gonna lie, with this wind is starting to suck. Especially being in a small boat. Maybe eating will conjure up a bite. Usually works. How many pound thrusts you got? 70 or 55? Oh yeah. Oh, we hooked up, and we got a. All right, I'll talk to you later. All right, bye. He's gone. Man, he was slowing down. We got a dry burner. Come on, trolling motor. Stay in the game. I hope this is a decent fish because he's making it seem like he's a monster. It's probably just a really mad small one. And when I mean small, I mean like 10 pounder. Man, he took off a lot of line, didn't he? Jeez Louise. Come on, trolling motor. Work with me here, please. I don't want to lose this fish, man. Watch me get copyrighted on my video for having the ESPN playing in the background. Come on. Oh yeah. Y'all can't see the fight if I'm all the way up there. Come on. The best thing is we didn't tangle up any other lines either. Get way back here for you. He's coming in now. He's coming in hot. I have a feeling we'll have to turn that trolling motor off. Hey, he ain't no monster. He's just really, really angry. Come here, buddy. Oh no. He's in my down line. He's in my down line. All right. About time. Yeah, there we go, boys. Yeah. Get out the bump board. We'll practice. We'll practice checking these fish. 28.5 inches. Boy, fat. Woo! Yeah, son. And all the lines are still straight too. We didn't, well, we got problems over here actually. Yeah, he wasn't a giant, but he was angry, man. Angry little fish. Oh, dang it. Come unbutton. Crap. Oh. All right, hold on. I got a fish. Yeah, it is my reel. It is my reel. That's what it is. Well, I'm fishing with live bait, so the clickers are on. Come on, man, turn around. I hope I don't lose this one. I lost the last one I hooked. Come on. He's angry. Come on. Yeah, we're on the camera, so I gotta, you know, gotta be quiet while we battle the fish. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Did you run me into my other planer board? Yeah, you did. Dang it, I'm dragging my other board now. Excuse me, crap. I'm on camera. What's that? Yeah, it feels like a good one. I might have another fish on because my other board just disappeared. It's completely underwater and gone. Come on. Yeah, he's still pulling line too. Come on, trolling motor, work with me here, buddy. Yeah, he's got my other line too, I can feel it. Come on. It feels like a big fish, but hard to tell when you're using monofilament with planer boards. Whoa. And then he takes the line out again. Come on, fish. You better be a good fish after all this. I know. Come on. Nah, he's not a giant. He's a good fish, but he's not a giant fish. Not as big as the one I lost this morning. No, not as big. Yep, victory is mine. Boom! Look at that, huh? That's a big one. Well, I mean, big for Lake Lanier. All right. That worked. All right. Okay. Woo! All right. That was fun. All right, we're gonna move. We're gonna check out one more place. I don't know if we're gonna stay and fish. A friend of mine is fishing out towards the mouth of this creek arm. We're at least gonna buzz by and say what's up. If the winds look fishable, we might put a couple lines out. If they don't, we're just gonna head on home. mean, we caught 3 fish, missed a couple more, lost a big one this morning on a lure before the sun come up, so I don't know, let's go see what's popping out there. Maybe there'll be a reprieve from the wind. New plan, we're gonna pull our way back to the ramp. That's what we're gonna do.
Hooked up. Hooked up.
Ah, man. He's got both boards down there too. Ah, crap. I don't even know if we still got the fish. Well, crap. I think he got down there in the trees. I don't know where my boards are, man. This is just too much, 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 too much. Yeah, that fish went right down into the trees. He got a good lick on me, he did. Broke me off. That's what he done did. How? It's not like the motor was running. I'm done. Oh, hit a big striper just come up next to the boat. All right, maybe we're not done. Well, I guess we got her one more, huh? Ah, it's down in the trees. Get out of the trees, man. Get out of the trees. He's mad. He's angry. Stay out of them trees, you dork. Get out of the trees. Man, he is so bent to get in them trees. Driven to the trees, man. For the love of God, stay out of the trees. There's trees at 20 foot. And he's well past 20 foot, or it was. Come on, you dork. You're not going in the trees. Get up here. So I guess you mean to tell me I should have put a shiner on a long time ago, huh? All right, come up here. It's over, Charlie. It's over for you. Curtains for you, Charlie. Curtains. All right. Curtains for you, Slim. And look at that, barely hooked. Boom! Another one. $26.5. 26 and a half inch fish. Now, do we stick to our word and leave like we said we would, or do we keep fishing? I don't know. You know, I should have checked that leader. You had me down in some timber. Well, timber don't really scratch up leaders too bad, but still, I should have checked it. Coming back over this this hump that I hit before. This is where our last bite came from. Oh, that's where our next bite came from. Oh, dang it. Come on, man. Crap. Dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it. Ah, he broke us off, actually. Crap. Darn, 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 dang, darn, darn. Dang me. Dang me. May as well take a rope and hang me. Crap.
Don't you